Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing team member slide in just 7 minutes. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use for your own personal purposes. But first, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos like these. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and go to format background and then change the background fill to a dark color. So I'm using red color right now. Now insert a rounded corner rectangle and remove its outline, put it into the middle in the center of your slide. Next, what you're going to do is remove its fill to white and you're going to give it an outline, a solid line of 1.25 p dot t and then change its outline color to white. You're gonna give the rectangle a transparency, and as you're gonna insert a straight line just right here, and you're gonna change its fill to red as well, and you're gonna increase its p dot t, close the format shape panel. Next, you're gonna insert this text box right here for the title, and change its fill to white, and bold the last and the first letters of the text. And here you go, let's place it right here. And next what we're gonna do is insert paste some text that I have copied. And next we're gonna change this fill to white, and then we're gonna decrease its size, give it some line spacing, and then put it just below our main title. So let's move the main title up first and move this text box up first as well. Next what we're gonna do is insert a circle right onto the left side of our slide onto this white rectangle, give it an outline of white color and remove its fill. Increase the weight of the outline and change its height and width to the same. Next, you're gonna place it upwards. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus T. Next, you're gonna place it just below the first circle, and then you have to settle it just below in the same position as the first one, and then you're gonna duplicate it again, and then place that one just below the second circle as well. And similarly, you're gonna duplicate the circle about 5 times. Select all of them, go to shape format and distribute them horizontally and then vertically. Now place them upwards in the middle of that rectangle. Next what you're going to do is insert a rounded corner rectangle and you have to just send it to the back. Remove its outline, give it a fill of dark blue color. Send it to the back, send the rectangle to the back as well. Next you're gonna increase the size of this rounded corner rectangle. Move it upwards by holding shift. You're going to select the circle, go to format shape and click on picture texture fill and insert an image of the first team member of your slide that you want to use right here. Now go to picture format to crop it. Now we're going to similarly insert the picture of each of the member of our slide using the picture texture fill option from the format background and the format shape panel. And here you go, so I have inserted the third image. You can go to crop option to adjust the image or increase or decrease the size or enhance the image. Next what we're gonna do is insert the fourth member's image and then go to crop option and increase the face size so that we can fit it into our slide. So here you go. Close the format shape background and then duplicate the slide. You're going to move this rectangle while holding shift downwards and insert a text box in it. And you're going to change its fill to white and decrease its size. You're going to insert another text box just below it and change its fill to white as well. Now duplicate this slide. First of all, you have to change the text. So I'll just remove this second text box. Next, what you're gonna do is insert another text box just below your first title. Change this fill to white as well and move it to the right side, giving it the right side alignment. Duplicate your slide and go to format background. And what you're gonna do is use other color for the background. So I'll just use a darker color for this color because it is not really visible. And next we're going to change the line color as well. While holding shift, move the text along with the rectangle to the second image, and you're going to change the text as well. Now duplicate the slider again. And next what you're going to do is go to format background option and then change the background's color. So I'm using this pretty purple color. And next we're going to change the text and move the circle around the corner rectangle just below. Duplicate your slide again and move the rectangle along with the text while holding shift down to the fourth image. And you're going to change the text as well and change the background color. So the color I'm using is green because yellow is too vibrant and it doesn't make the text to be clearly seen. Now let's duplicate our slide and then again move this downwards around the corner rectangle along with the text. And here goes the text. Now let's change the background color and then change the outlines color as well and close the format background. Select all of your templates and go to transitions tab and give them more transition. Now go to the first slide and you're going to select all these circles, go to animations and give them float in animation. But you're going to change the direction to float down and then give them a delay of 25. Select the first one and second one. First, go give the delay of 000 to the first and to the second. Give the delay of 25 seconds, and similarly, you're gonna give the same delay one by one to each of the picture and give the vibe animation to the straight line. And for the text, we're gonna give it the float and animation, and for the content text we're going to give it a flying animation but from the right side. So this is the preview of what we made, and that's all for today in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Plus you can download this free template from the link in the description below, which is customizable and you can edit it to use for your own purposes while changing the names of your team members and other stuff. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and let's see you in another video soon.